The Silent Noise. It's been streaming on Prime Video since March 20. A powerful and emotional story that explores truth, family, and the weight of silence. Please watch this.
May konting request lang si Mama. Habang nandito tayo, wala na munang cellphone. Let's more time with each other.
Tama, focus muna tayo sa pamilya.
Sa tinitingnan ko si Inday, nakikita ako na siya nagbayad sa mga kasalanan. Di ba pinili ko pa rin yung maging asawa mo? Kahit na matagal na kitang hindi mahal. Ma, sige, wala. Mapatawad sa sarili ko kung nangyari kay Inday.
Please welcome the cast from The Silent Noise. Mutia Orquia, Naijan Maria, Baby Umalit, Sanjo Maruno, and Angelica Panganiban. May we invite the cast to step forward, closer to the cameras, please, and smile for some photo ops. Hello, hello. So, quick question, little chica. I know it's been streaming already since March 20. Congratulations, everybody. So, without giving too much away, ano ang dapat nilang abangan? Without giving too much away, huwag naman spoiler.
Well, sa nakita nila, diba, pa-intense ng pa-intense, syempre yung mga mapapanood nila. Talagang yung mga kaganapan ay, kumbaga, kakabahan na rin kayo. Mararamdaman nyo kung ano yung nararamdaman namin lahat.
And when, yeah, exactly.
Yes, yung transition ng mga characters, ito na, kasi isa pang lumalabas yung mga sikreto na hindi sinasabi yung bawat member ng pamilya. Kaya, yun, kung alam mo na yung mga hulay o sino yung suspect, hindi pa po yung marami pa yung mga
Thank you very much. And let's hear from the kids. What are you excited about now that the show is streaming?
I'm excited because in this series, everyone will discover and see that this series is not just an ordinary series. This is a series about a love of a deaf kid, Eli, for his teacher, big teacher Santa.
Siguro naman ang vision natin ni Papa kanina ni Wendy. Yung pinakita ko kanina parang nasa episode 7 and 8 pa lang, parang mga ganun pa lang. So, marami pa kami yung offer dun sa last few episodes and yun po kakabahan talaga kayo at parang mararamdaman mo na yung gulat at mapapakayo mo talaga kung saan ka nanonood.
And yeah.
Yes po, talagang marami pong aabangan, lalo na yung mga unexpected moments, mga hindi mo hinihinalan. Yun pala yung nangyari talaga. So yun, abangan po talaga.
Well, if you want to find out, you know where to watch it. Thank you so much again to the cast of The Silent Noise.